This is our Sleepy bottle. It's a single bottle pack and it has quite a lot of stuff in it. So what we have is a welcoming message. Then we have our Sleepy bottle unit. It's not just a baby bottle. It has its own heater which heats up and controls the temperature of water in the baby bottle to perfect 37 degrees Celsius. And then this thing right here is a cartridge where you put in as many scoops of baby formula as you want. So when the time comes, you always have your water ready on the temperature, and all you need to do is twist and shake and you can feed your baby. Then we have, of course, a charger and a USB cable so you can plug your Sleepy bottle to a power bank. Go to our website to learn more about Sleepy bottle.